Like, this is a redesign of this link here. No touch door opening, it's for opening doors without touching them. And I've made this holder, got a clip on for clipping on, say, belt. I'll do this is the left, I'm calling this the left one, to go on the left side. I will print a right one, well, design a right one, same as this, but more to go on the right side. So that's the opener. As I say, this is a remix of this link. And the files for this and the like holder. Oops, I'm putting it in the wrong way around, I think. Here. So this is just a bit of an update. I'll briefly show you this in action if I can. It might be harder for me to do now actually than in the first video. I'll put a link to the first video I did of this, but briefly show you on this video. So you pull it out and you hook that on the door handle. So here's a door handle, typical door handle, just hook it on like that, or put your finger through the hole, I would recommend, and that part sort of goes in the palm of your hand, left or right. I don't think it makes any difference. Sometimes it does seem to slip off. I think I showed you that in the first one, but you can open the door, then you can push it closed like that, or you push it closed with the hooks to that. It tends to be a bit of a that you want to almost curve it round as you're opening it. Just show you that once or twice more. And basically I'm not having to touch the door handle, so it's keeping any nasty germs at bay.